Welcome to Copying Your Canvas course. In this portion, we'll be discussing using the Send To feature to share content. In Canvas, we have the ability to share specific pieces of material with other users. To do this, find the content you wish to share, roll all the way out to the three-dot kebab at the right, and select Send To. This will send this specific item to another user. Begin typing the other person's name and find them from the drop-down that appears. You can choose to send the same content to multiple users by adding more names. When you've added all the names you need to, click Send. The content will be shared with that other user. You can do the same thing with entire modules by using the three-dot kebab on the module header and selecting Send To. I follow the same process of adding their name, selecting them from the drop-down that appears, and choosing Send. I'm given a visual that my content has been shared successfully, and the other users will be able to access it shortly. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.